How to upload HD photos to Facebook. Tired of blurry uploads? Here's how to post HD photos on Facebook. First, go ahead and open up Google Play Store, and then on Google Play Store, go ahead and head over to the search tab and then use the search bar to look for Facebook. So go ahead and search for Facebook into this section, and then from the results, go ahead and tap on it. Now, if you find an update button instead of an open button, click on it to update the app. Once you're done updating the app, go ahead and open up the Facebook app for your device, and then go ahead and tap on the burger icon at the top left of your screen, and then select settings and privacy under it, and then look for settings, click on it, and that will take you to the settings. So once you're on the settings, look for media. You'd basically find it under preferences. So under media, go ahead and use high resolution images. So go ahead and set this to upload photos in HD and upload videos in HD. Use high resolution images, ideally 1080p or higher. Save in JPEG or PNG for best results.